Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you BandLab how to split a track. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Splitting a track in BandLab is easy. What you need to do first is head over and open up your BandLab app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once logged into your account, on the bottom bar you'll be seeing a plus icon. Simply tap on that, and now here what you need to do is open your project in the BandLab app. So to do it, simply tap on import file, then follow the on-screen prompts to successfully import your file. Once imported, you'll be seeing something like this on your screen. Now in order to split track, all you gotta do is just simply scroll the track to the spot where you want to split it, and then tap on it, and here you'll find this button right here. Tap on that, and that will split your track, and either you can delete it or remove it as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.